Whoa. Got the way, tree. Ah, yeah, there you go, there you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yay, look at the fire. Ooh, that's pretty. Shimmy, shimmy, sparkle, sparkle.
Oh my God.
Ooh, hoo, hoo. Where y'all at? Yeah. Very much.
I'm gonna tell your daddy let us.
Ooh. You saw that?
Ow.
Oh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh, it's so beautiful. I can't see nothing, but still.
Oh no, let that window down.
I know. Like spiders in the sky. The smoke does. You see them spiders up in there? I can't see nothing. Yay. I can't see nothing. Woohoo! What y'all screaming for? Some ding dang fire. Ooh.
Oh, baby, please look out. I ain't trying to get you Sam kids.
I don't know who the hell kids in here. We gotta get the hell out the way.
Sam kids.
Ain't no Sam kids. Kids look too damn light skinned. Yeah, Sam.
Ooh!
Oh my, I can't even see anything.
Alright, I'm recording it for you so you can see it later.
Oh my
Ooh,
gosh.
ooh, look like a spring fling. Now I can't see nothing.
They got them good fireworks too.
Yeah. They popping them quick too.
For real though. They
What
trying to
if-
get this over with.
Wait, what if they all one firework?
I don't know, man.
That's a little better now. That's more like. Oh yeah, I got a good old
There
view.
ain't no rope down there blocking me.
You better watch her face dick.
Damn, Kiki. Damn.
Don't be yelling at me. Yeah, around
Waiting for that ditch any damn
I
way.
just said watch out for it. Don't be yelling at me. Should have ran in at me.
Dang, you loud.
I'm gonna get out of this bitch.
Where it go?
There y'all go.
Whee!
Right there for you.
Uh-huh. Way better. Roll down your windows, Johnson, so we can't get out the car. Really?
Boy, you still let down the window.
I ain't saying knock my phone down.
Oh my gosh.
Get up out, get up out. I need my room, I need my space. Get out.
Hey, y'all mama get the fuck. I'm gonna turn on that last shoot over here. I'm gonna stand out there right now.
Yours look like fire. The red ones look like fire. Ooh, shoot, they big. I know, right? They big. They got them big fireworks. They got them big fireworks.
I wonder how they do that though. How they go way up in the sky.
They got them big old fireworks, them loud fireworks.
They look like uniform.
How does it look like a unicorn?
No, I'm talking about the colors.
Yeah, right. What is that? Oh, the pink. Ooh, look at all that. Like, literally, bro, yeah. Like a spot up there. Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh, that's big. That is big. Oh.
You see them in the field? I don't see nobody. I'm glad you got this one.
It's so beautiful. Read it. Oh, whoa. don't know, but I liked it. I got another one of those.
I like the one that went all the way up.
Did you see that? Did you see that? They got them crazy fireworks. Like a spider. Where the heck that came from? There it is.
Woo!
There goes the fly and stuff.
Yeah.
Boom, baby. Dang. Oh, snap. What the world?
I waited so long to see these fireworks.
That's pretty.
Oh, that's pretty.
Whoa.
No, that was so pretty.
It's scary at the same time. Yeah, baby. Oh, look at all them lines up in there.
What you do for the 4th?
We was waiting on these fireworks, and then we shot some fireworks at Mommy's house. Oh, they look like they so close up.
Look at that one.
Oh my gosh! I ain't staying on the car for these. I'm too short. Ooh, it's like Walmart.
No, those are scaring me.
Especially them wild ones that feel like they about to cause an earthquake. Why they gotta be so loud? They sound like they're shaking some of these buildings up in here.
No, it sounds like a thunder or something. Cause it's so.
Look, there goes one of them thingamabobs. Oh Lord, what's that? Ooh, it's Methuselah.
Not purple.
Man. You hear that? You hear the after effects? Like seriously, bro.
Oh, that's pretty.
It sounds like it's about to shake up a building or something like that. Ooh, there go another one like that. Oh, I like them things. That's a smiley. That's the upside down smiley face. There go another one. I just finally figured out what that was. Then that's a football inside of a circle. There go another smiley face. And that's like Walmart. And that's a heart.
I thought it was a strawberry.
No, it ain't a strawberry. Aww. I am. Wait till I get the car. What am I really That's loud.
Oh my goodness.
Louder than Methuselah, baby. They know we ain't gonna have on a seatbelt.
That was so good.
They done? They done? They done. You gotta be joking. They done.
That was so
I ain't about to stop my video until I
Start shooting them all at the same time, y'all. I done been down here for some years, I know.
Can we tell my daddy